If you've got a mower sitting in the garage and zero paying clients, this video is for you. I'm gonna show you exactly how to go from zero to your first 10 lawn care clients in the next 30 days. And I'm not guessing. I've been running my own lawn and small landscaping business for over 10 years. And I'll give you the real prices, real scripts, and the simple steps I'd use if I had to start from scratch today. Hey, my name's Earl. I run a lawn care and small landscaping business here in Vancouver, Canada. I've done everything from tiny front yards to full-on jungle cleanups. And I've made every stupid mistake you can imagine with pricing and clients, so you don't have to. On this channel, I break down real jobs, real quotes, and real profit, so beginners and solo operators can actually make money, not just cut grass for gas money. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 big things: the minimum gear you actually need, a simple offer that's easy to sell, how to get in front of your first 10 clients, and the pricing and schedule I'd use so you're not working for peanuts. Let's start with the gear, because most people overthink this part. All right, first thing, gear. You do not need a $10,000 trailer setup to get your first 10 clients. Here's the minimum kit I'd start with: a reliable push or self-propelled mower, a trimmer or weed whacker, and a simple blower, or even a broom if you're really starting from nothing. That's it. With just those 3, you can handle most small residential lawns. You can buy used to start. Is it nice to have a fancy commercial mower and a shiny truck? Sure. Is it required to get 10 clients? Nope. Your first clients care about one thing: does my yard look better after you leave? So don't let the gear be the excuse that keeps you stuck at zero. Next, you need a simple offer. Most beginners try to sell everything: mowing, pruning, cleanups, gutters, pressure washing, whatever. Don't do that. For your first 10 clients, keep it super clear. Something like front and back lawn, cut, trimmed, and blown clean for $50 to $80. Or if the yards in your area are rough, first time yard cleanup plus mow for $200 to $350, then a cheaper price for ongoing cuts. For a small city lot, that might look like, for example, first cleanup around $120 to $180, and regular mowing around $50 to $70. Adjust those numbers to your area, but that's the idea. One clear service, one clear price range. Easy to say at the door, easy to put on a flyer. Okay, so how do you actually get the first few people to say yes? Step 1 is your inner circle. Friends, family, coworkers, neighbors, people from your gym, church, kids' school, whatever. Here's a super simple message you can copy and send out today. Hey, I'm starting a small lawn care route in your area. I'm looking for a few first yards at a fair price in exchange for a great job and honest feedback. Do you or anyone you know need their lawn cut or yard cleaned up? Send that to everyone you're not embarrassed to message. You might get 1 client, you might get 4. Even if you just get 1 solid yard out of it, that's a start. And a before and after you can show the next person. Now, this next part feels old school, but it still works. Walk your target neighborhood. Print a simple flyer or door hanger with your offer, your name, and your number. Then walk and knock, or just hang them if you don't feel like knocking. When someone opens the door, keep it short. You can say, "Hey, I'm Earl. I live or work nearby, and I'm building a small lawn route in this area. I'm offering my lawn care services this month for around $50 to $70. I can take a quick look and give you a price now for free, or you can call or text me later." That's it. The big secret here is route density. 10 random clients all over the city will kill your time and your gas. 10 clients in a few blocks, that's a business. Last way to find those first 10 clients. Be visible online, but don't get lost in the weeds. You don't need a fancy website on day 1. Start with a basic Google business profile, a simple Facebook page, or posting in local Facebook or Nextdoor groups. Take a before and after photo, then post something like, "I'm opening up 5 spots for lawn care in your neighborhood. This is a yard I just finished today. If your lawn looks like the before photo, DM me lawn, and I'll send you a quote. Clear area, clear offer, clear call to action. Between your inner circle, a couple of streets, and some basic online posts, you will not stay at zero if you're consistent for a few weeks. All right, let's talk real numbers, because this is where most people mess it up. I'm not giving you exact prices for your city. You still need to adjust, but I'll give you a way to think about it. Let's say you want to be around $60 per hour after gas and basic expenses while you're solo. If a small lawn takes you about 45 minutes at the start, your price should land somewhere around that hourly number, not 20 bucks because you feel bad charging more. Here's a simple example. 10 weekly clients at, say, $60 per cut. That's 600 bucks a week. Over 4 weeks, that's about 2,400 a month just from mowing. It's not quit your job tomorrow money, but it proves the model. And once you're faster, tighten your routes and add simple upsells like cleanups or hedge trimming. Those same 10 to 20 clients can turn into really solid income. Now let's quickly talk about schedule and route, because your time is where the profit hides. If you're doing this as a side hustle, your week might look like a couple of evenings for 1 or 2 lawns and a solid block on Saturday. Group your clients by street or area. Don't bounce all over town to chase an extra 10 bucks. For example, maybe Thursdays are Maple Street and the next 2 blocks only. Same area, back-to-back lawns, minimal drive time. 10 tight clients on one side of town are worth way more than 10 random clients scattered everywhere. So as you grow, say no to the stuff that destroys your route. All right, quick recap so you can actually do something with this. 1. Get the minimum gear: mower, trimmer, blower. Don't overcomplicate it. 2. Create one simple offer with a clear price range. 3. Hit your inner circle, walk a couple of target streets, and post in local groups. 4. Price with simple hourly math so you're not basically working for free. 5. Build tight routes instead of random one-off jobs all over the map. If you follow those steps for 30 days, you will not stay stuck at zero. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from and how many clients you're at right now. 0 is totally fine. In the next videos, I'm gonna break down real jobs I've done, including a total nightmare yard cleanup, and show you exactly what I charged and what I actually took home. So if you want the real numbers and not TikTok fantasy, stick around. We're just getting started.